We have spent pretty much all summer trying to share and convince you to get out and grill through our Barbecue of the Week series. Hopefully it has inspired you to take on a different level of cooking at your home, indoor and out. And for today's Barbecue of the Week recipe, we are taking on grilled pizza. Ben Gilchrist is here to teach us the technique for making perfect pizza on the grill. We're all very excited to have you for more than one reason. The pizza looks great and nice to meet you.
Yes,
you have
nice to meet you as well.
a fun story and a personal attachment to pizza. You went through kind of a project the last year.
Yes, exactly. So we built an outdoor kitchen in our backyard. I started with a different pizza oven, a very small one, and as COVID hit, we really started investing into our own area.
Yeah.
And so we put in a fire pit, we put in a hot tub, we sat on our deck, and my wife said, that area is ugly. we need to do something about that.
That little corner of the house.
And she's like, you've got a barbecue or a smoker. It all looks like it's kind of hodgepodge together.
Yeah.
She said, you're the cook in the family.
Yeah.
Let's get you a kitchen. So we went at it.
First of all, you have an amazing wife, right?
She is amazing.
To spot that potential and let you run with that opportunity.
Yes, for sure.
You took it on.
Yes.
Are you pleased with that?
Oh, I absolutely love it. So what we did is we started looking at different companies. You can get a contractor, you can have it built.
Yeah.
Instagram, kind of, you know how the ads are on Instagram, it like popped up, boom.
Sure.
RTA Outdoor Living. They're based back east, and they have modular units, but they come and they design it for your space.
Oh, wow.
So they give you a blueprint, you sign off on everything, and it made the pizza oven the focal part of what we do.
Well, definitely a luxury. It looks beautiful. Congratulations. That's awesome. And I do think more and more people, maybe COVID inspired as you described, are looking to looking at how to transform kind of our outdoor spaces. And pizza ovens, even if you aren't doing the full outdoor kitchen, pizza ovens themselves, outdoor pizza ovens, are kind of having a moment.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
They are growing. This uni oven that I brought.
I've heard a lot about the uni.
Unis are a fantastic entry-level oven to start with.
Okay.
They'll run you about $500. This is the Uni Coda. I think it's $5.99, and it's a great oven. It's all about temperature control when you're cooking pizza. You want to get up to the 700, 800, 900 degrees. This one will get you there at a really good price.
And can I just put this on a tabletop then?
Yeah, you can put it on a tabletop. You can put it on your old cardboard table like we had in our backyard before we built the kitchen, and and you can take it anywhere. We tailgate. We go up to the University of Utah games all the time, and it's a great thing to take with you.
So my self-critical voice has been saying, now why would I invest in an extra appliance as opposed to just throwing it on my smoker or my regular grill? But you say it makes the texture difference? Yes,
it gives that crunchy high temperature. To get a real good Neapolitan style pizza, you need the high temperature.
Okay.
Grill, you can do it.
Yeah.
We're going to do it today, but it can only get you to about 500 degrees on your pizza stone. You really want to get that really, really high temperature.
All right. Well, as a man with a beautiful outdoor kitchen, including a pizza oven, you've mastered this recipe. Tell us what goes into a good grilled pizza.
Awesome. So, well, we start with our dough, which we made 72 hours ago. It's been in the fridge.
On purpose?
On purpose.
You want the dough to sit?
You want the dough to sit.
Okay.
Yep. And what we're going to do, flour is your friend. You want to use lots and lots of flour. Making pizza's messy. You just slowly start to spread it out, working from the inside out.
And while you do that, this is an uni appliance as well.
It is,
a little accessory holder or ingredient holder. That's very slick.
Yeah. So then I just start stretching it out a little bit.
You are a pro. Look at you.
I mean, we could throw it up in the air, but just so you know, that's all for show. It's all for show.
Okay.
People that do that, they're just showing off.
You have nothing to prove.
I have nothing to prove.
We love you already. Okay.
So one of the best tips I could give is semolina flour is what you want to put your next surface on. So we have a little bit of this. It just will help it from burning.
Is it, I don't know what it is. Is it thinner? Is it?
It's more like cornmeal almost.
Okay.
It's kind of grainy, and it'll just make throwing it on the pizza stone, it prevents it from sticking.
Okay.
And that's what you want.
Okay.
So for this, when I modified this to cook on the barbecuer, I found that you need to par-bake your dough.
Okay.
So that's what we would do now in this recipe is we would throw it on.
For about how long?
For about 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh, you've got a wand.
We brought the small one.
The giant fly swatter. No, just kidding. Let's not talk about flies when we're making delicious pizza.
So we just slide it on, shake off
you.
our dough a little bit.
Listen, it's fun to see how the pros do it. I'm calling you a pro now. We can only aspire.
Thank you. And then we just throw it on.
The
just
pizza
like that.
stone is on the grill.
Yep. And you could do this anywhere. You can do it in your oven, you can do it on a grill, you can do it on your smoker.
Okay.
As long as you can get it up to about 500 degrees or so on the temperature of the stone, you're good to go.
And par baked, how do we know if the dough is par baked?
Well, it's going to start just getting brown around the outsides.
Okay.
Yep. And once it does that, then we're going to throw it on. Then you can throw on whatever toppings you want.
Okay, and then you melt the toppings and finish off the bake.
Yeah.
All right, and toppings-wise, any tips or advice for us there?
Well, keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
The less toppings, the better.
Yeah.
So with Neapolitan-style pizza, very, very simple. For this specific recipe, I did one that's called the Mistaken Margarita.
Okay.
Which takes a traditional margarita pizza and turns it upside down.
Okay.
And so what we did here is we par baked, we put on our cheese, we're gonna pull it out, and then you just decorate it.
Okay.
And you can decorate it however you want. You can, do this the way I did here.
Little geometric design.
Exactly.
And Neapolitan pizza, by definition, a little flatter, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Very thin, crispy.
Thin and crispy.
Thin and crispy.
Yeah.
And then we just take our little basil sauce that we did and just kind of decorate it however you want.
Look at this. It's pretty to look at and delicious to eat.
That's exactly right.
Okay.
And it takes a flavor profile of a margarita and gives it a completely different flavor.
Oh,
it's fantastic.
Fun.
Yeah.
And is that part of the fun, is just playing and mixing and matching the different flavor combinations?
What I like to do is when we go out of town, we will go to a pizza restaurant.
Yeah.
And then I like to come home and try to copy. It just gives me more inspiration.
Love it.
I also become very picky on the pizza
You can
that I
be.
eat. I can be.
You can be.
But really, it's whatever you want to make it.
Yeah.
At my house, we make a lot of cheese pizza because I have picky kids.
Okay, good. I was going to say, if I'm feeding the kids, it's all cheese all the time.
Yep.
What's the most creative pizza combination you've tried recently that has been a winner?
I think the one that I developed was a Chipotle bacon chicken pizza.
Oh, wow.
It was fantastic.
Oh, wow.
It was fantastic.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for sharing your knowledge and also your passion. And you share recipes on Instagram, too.
I do. Ben's Backyard Bites.
Ben's Backyard Bites.
Yep.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ben, for sharing. We appreciate it. And to get today's recipe, you can go to our website, too, studio5.ksl.com. Ben's Backyard Bites. That has a ring to it, doesn't it?